Welcome to Lawn Tips with Lou.
Hi, I'm Lou. I'm a homeowner with a passion for lawn care. I'll be putting out a series of videos showing how I take care of my lawn throughout the year. I live in a suburb of Dallas, Texas. Right now, it's late October, and this is a view of my front lawn after a mid-October mowing. This is my back lawn. As you can see, the lawn is beginning to show fall color, and the crepe myrtles are no longer blooming, and the leaves have also lost their summer color. In a few weeks, the grass will become dormant with the wheat color that it takes on for the winter, and the leaves will be turning color on the trees soon. This picture shows the dormant grass and leaf color from our trees last year. Why am I starting a series of lawn care videos at the end of the season? Several reasons. There are things that can be done at this time of year and over the winter to prepare for a healthy lawn next year. These include properly watering the trees and shrubs before winter, putting down pre-emergent to control weeds and problem grasses that will germinate over the winter and in the spring, cleaning equipment for storage over the winter, sharpening mower blades. Over the coming months, I'll be covering these topics and more. I've always been fond of using reel mowers. On my yard, I'm using a push reel mower in the front lawn, and I use a rotary mower in the backyard. We'll be discussing the benefits of both types of mowers in upcoming videos. As I mentioned earlier, I am a homeowner with a passion for lawn care. You can have a great looking lawn with just a little effort and within a reasonable budget. I find working in my lawn to be very enjoyable and relaxing. If you know what to put on your lawn and when to put it down, you can have a beautiful, well-maintained lawn. Please watch for my videos. I'm anxious to get this underway and to help you have a lawn that you can be proud of. And please click to subscribe. And thank you for watching Lawn Tips with Lou.